All right, good morning, folks. It is day 3 here at Dragway Rush, and we have got rain on the forecast. So, might have mentioned that yesterday. Unfortunately, you will see and hear everybody is scurrying out of the track. So, plan for today with the weather coming in, okay, is that we're not doing the official route. It's what, 8 o'clock, 8:12 in the morning. They said let's just go straight to the track, so A to B as quick as you can get there, get ahead of some of this weather. And the hope is that when we get to back to St. Thomas, that we have an opportunity to maybe get a couple passes in, or one each. So weather looks a little clearer on the other side. It's coming in this way. It's just starting to drizzle now. I can see it hitting the glass. We saw the storm cell on the radar map, and you can see it's going to pass right over us, right through into here. So again, get everybody out. So unfortunate that we can't, continue like we were hoping to. But if it means we can get at least one pass in and see how we do, I guess it's worth it, right? Yep. So it is what it is. There's guys in vehicles with tires that are not good for the rain, that are going to struggle. We've got motorcycles here. We've got leaky old cars. So there's a lot. We're probably one of the nicer vehicles of the bunch, so we're kind of fortunate.
We got all the comforts.
We got all the comforts, and it's good street tires. So we're going to be just fine. But yeah, let's get everybody off to the track safe, and we'll see. So next time you see us, we should be in St. Thomas, and we'll see what happens. Well, it took all of 5 minutes leaving this place, leaving the track, and now we're in a downpour, as forecasted. So, well,
he's cutting grass.
and the guy's cutting grass. All right. Well, like we said, onto the track. Let's see if we can get through the storm on the other side. Yeah. All right, update. We are 7 minutes out from the track, and as you can see out here, it is dry on the ground. Momentary sunshine was upon us. Cloudy skies, a little bit of blue up there. So we are fingers crossed and hopeful that we may get a pass or two in this morning. Hopefully. Fingers crossed. So, yeah, positive sign anyway. So, nope, I see a few drops. I just spoke, and a couple drops on the glass now. I might have screwed it up on us. Should last.
Coming off the car in front of us.
Coming off the car in front of us. Anyways, we'll see. We'll see what happens. We're almost there. All right. Back at St. Thomas. Sky is blue. Sun is shining. We're told it's supposed to be clear till 6 o'clock. So we are super hopeful.
Good to go.
That we're going to be good to go today. He says we should be able to be okay. The plan is to run till 5. We're going to run to 6, but they're saying the rain comes at 6, so they're going to run till 5. And then do the award ceremony at 5, and then should be wrapped up by 6, hopefully before the rain starts. So we're going to park. We can't just go to the other side where everybody's vehicles are, trailers, all that sort of stuff. So we're parking on this side of the area. You can see we are early. We are one of the first few people here. And yeah.
Just going to park there?
Out. Yeah, you just can't go to the other side.
Yeah, no, that's fine.
Here, man.
All right, perfect. Thank you.
People are starting to arrive back in. As you can see, we've got a few more people coming. Cars are lining up. Looks like it's going to be a race day. Awesome. They're cleaning up the staging lanes too, sweeping up. And yeah, turning out just fine. Look at this unit, huh? Been watching this guy ride all weekend. Very nice. Track prep is coming along. You got all our racers out there. They're way, way back there. You can't see them all, but it goes way back. You can see a few over here. 125 showed up out of, I think it was close to 200 initial entries. So a lot of breakdowns this week. A lot of people who couldn't make it for different reasons. But we're ready to go. Car's cleaned. Nice and cool. Let's hope we make a good pass today. Well, as you can see, we're in a downpour. We were doing so good. It was clear. Now the good thing is, it is clear. I don't know if you can see. There's blue sky behind us. It is coming in that direction, so we're hoping it's just one cell that's passing through. But they just prepped the track. They were putting the glue down. Now it's all going to have to be dried. So I don't know if we're going to make it for noon. We'll see. But for now, thank God we brought this canopy with us. It's been great for the sun, and today it's saving us from the rain and all our stuff that we pulled out of the car to, you know, save weight. We are firing up for the first classes, sticky tires. Anybody who's not in the hard tire class are good to go. It looks like we're going to get maybe one run in each, and that's what they're going to have to use. 2 slips from yesterday, the 2 slips from the day before, see, and the previous track, can't even remember the name of it anymore, and then today's 5th slip. So not going to get 2 runs in, they're going to do 1 each. Everybody's running up. We might only have an hour or 2 before the rain comes back again. But we're firing up. Let's go have some fun.
Alright, here we go. First two. 108.9 miles an hour.
All right, one and done. Let's see if we can get a good pass today. We're hoping to beat a 12:27. We'll see. Sounds like people are making some good numbers today. If not, still a good time. Got me off the launch. My reaction time was right around 0.83 I saw, which is so typical for me in this car. But let's see how we did for a time. Maybe it'll be a one and done today. That was a good race. Foremost, 0.82 in reaction time. That is always awesome. In the 8s. Lower, but it's always in the 8s. But we're in with this car. So 1.75 60 foot. So that is like one of our best 60 foots.
That is the best.
I think the time we did a 12:27, we were a 1.76.
Right.
Like 1.75 with a 9.
Nice.
That's how close it is. So good 60 foot, 5.12 to the 330. At the 8th, we were at 7.144. Sorry, 7.95 with a 2. At 88 miles an hour, with an overall 12.41 with a 1 and 108.98. So
nice job.
We picked up a little mile an hour from yesterday. We picked up a little bit of time, a couple tenths.
Yep.
But I think we were at 146 was our best yesterday, right? Somewhere
yesterday it was 146.
46 at 109.
Yeah.
We're at 108.98. So just slightly shy. I'm not sure if we're gonna get any better. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to hang on to this, of course. It's my one and only one. That's a good number I'm happy with.
Yeah.
I know we're chasing the 11s, but I think we're 4 tenths away. I just don't know if we're going to get there. It's going to get hot now today. That was the best of the car. I think it hooked up pretty good.
It did hook up nice.
I passed that Protege hard.
Oh, easily.
He jumped me on the line. He had a 0.69.
Yep.
But I'm like, every time with this thing, it's got that momentary delay. I got to figure that out.
Yeah. It's the timing.
It's that timing, yeah. That launch control just has that moment where you let off the brake. It just... I don't know, it's like it needs a half a second to think about it, right?
Right.
And that's always adds a bit of tense to it. So in any event, it's always good to beat somebody, though. I chased him down hard.
Oh, yeah,
so that
you
was
chased
fun.
him down hard. You got him good.
So he had a higher mile per hour overall, but once his turbo spooled up, right? He was chooching pretty good, but I got
it was
ahead.
A good race, man.
I got ahead far enough, so yeah, he did a 13. So anyways, I'm happy with that number. I think to wrap up the day, if we have to on this, we're good. But let's let it sit. We've got some time. We've got like 4 hours. Let it cool. If the weather holds up, I'd be game for one more just to see what it does. Once this is cooled down for a few hours.
One more and then one more?
Yeah, I know. It's hard to stop.
It's hard to stop once you start.
All right, cool. Good stuff, though. Good start of the day.
Perfect.
Moving our outlaw class right here, Tesla versus Wagon. Winner here will come back for the final against President Corvette.
He got out of it.
Black is going to come back in the final. Take on Wes in his Corvette.
Time. There's hardly any cars up here. Weather's held up. We're gonna give it one more shot and see how we do. 11:41 was the last pass. We'll see if we can get another one to average down even better.
Yes,
And today they want best of whatever you got.
We have Kelly Haynes in the left lane in the BMW X5 from Cambridge, Ontario. Jamie in the Javelin in our hard tire division in the right lane. Javelin takes it out the front, but I think the X5 is going to catch up here. Very close race, 13.37 in the left lane for the Beamer at 107 miles an hour, 13.66 at 102 miles an hour. Very close race there. Different countries, different engines. I like that. All-wheel drive body in the left lane. Got a red light on the Chevy in the right lane.
Thank you, sir. Oh yeah. Dude, it was so worth it.
Right?
Fuck, yeah, did you see
Nice job, bud.
that? 1237.
Good job.
1237, 109.8. So didn't break the 110, but damn, that dropped our average down. 175 60 foot. That's the best 60 foot yet, and it
Nice.
squawked.
Congratulations.
Did that guy
buddy.
let off?
I have no
Here,
idea.
hang on to that. Take a look at that. He did a 15, but he got me off the jump, but
Yep.
I thought, oh, he's gonna be quick. But he wasn't that quick.
No, it wasn't that quick. 0.46 for your reaction.
0.46?
0.46.
Hell yeah!
Hell yeah, brother.
Fuck yeah!
That was awesome.
That was worth the second pass.
That was worth the wait, and the Rangers.
Much better. Even better still.
There you go.
Best 60 foot yet.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's a day.
Best 60 foot. Not our top mile an hour. Brought the average down again, so that's cool. That's the slip to hand in today.
That's the one to hand in.
Nice.
We got him here. Sean in Leaf Spring 06 in the Dakota.
With a 1273 with a 5, Owen Field.
You gotta get.
And in second place, also running in 12 second range on the lower half of the spectrum with a 1240, Ryan Amy.
Yeah.
And our winner in all-wheel with a car that just sort of came out of nowhere and has a bit of an identity crisis from what I understand if you read the back glass. It thinks it's a Bronco too for some reason. I'm not gonna lie, I don't know why. Mostly because this time you showed up with a car and put it on the top of the leaderboard by quite a healthy margin. 11:25 was the average for Ben Henderson to take the win. You might have to put something in the back of the Bronco now that says it identifies as an Audi.
It's actually Joya's car. Ben was just borrowing it.
Yeah, do you have to give the car back now?
Yeah, unfortunately.
In our modified class,
Well, welcome to the following morning, folks, and we are finally back home. It was a long night last night battling the weather. We had crazy thunderstorms, crazy heavy rain. Had to take it real careful. Jared did a great job getting us home safe and sound. We got back to drop the trailer off at around, I'm going to say 11:30 last night in the pouring rain. So we had to hustle. So sorry I couldn't get any footage then, just because you would have just heard rain anyway. So there was no point. But we got in, dropped the trailer off, parted ways, and I think we each got home around just about 1 a.m. So long haul, but the car is back. It's safe, and we brought home our second place trophy, which is fantastic. Did not expect to see a trophy. I know Jer did some filming about that award ceremony there, which was awesome. So what a nice surprise it was. What a fantastic event. And I got to say, we're already talking about next year. It was great. So if you checked out all 3 videos and stuck around and followed us around for this adventure, thank you. Subscribe if you haven't. We'd really like to. We hope to do more of these type of events as well. But what a great week. Weather held up to the last bitter end. So thanks for joining us, and we'll hope to see you next time. Thanks.